So, how was your Yoni Rejuvenation session with head to toe healing?
It was relaxing, different in a good way, and like really calm. Like in my head, it came out so different. Like you don't really feel anything. I think I was tense at first because I didn't know what to expect, but you really don't feel anything. And then it made it really like calm because like the setting was in my personal space. Like I didn't feel pressured to have conversations if I didn't want to. I was kind of just in my own little bubble and I just was just good. Like it was really simple and easy.
Any advice for those who may be thinking about going through this process?
So looking at the bed setup was really awkward just from a visual standpoint, but the fact that you were willing to, like the fact that Eric was really willing to like walk me through everything, what all the tools were, the step-by-step process, things that I may feel emotionally or physically, and just kind of prepared my head for it all, made it non-scary for the most part, which I really, really appreciated. Get out of your own way, get out of your head and do the process. Like, just do it. It's not scary. It feels a lot better than when you have to go get your vagina checked by the gynecologist. I promise you that. Definitely do it. But it was a really good experience just because Eric walked me through like all the pieces so I understood and I wasn't in the dark about anything.
Did you feel any complications during the process?
No, I didn't feel any complications. I think I understand how it worked already. So there's 2 nozzles that you use, I'm guessing typically. So the first one went in far enough. The second one, I feel like didn't have to go in as far. So I'm assuming that to me, that felt like, I guess I was tightening because I couldn't use the tool as deep as I did the first time. So that was just interesting to feel. But yeah.
Do you feel that the setup was made according to how you would like it? Or would you prefer more?
No, like you gave me an option on like type of music I wanted to listen to, if any at all. Like the bed was warm, so I wasn't cold, even though the home is not cold anyway. So it kind of relaxed me and my back. I was covered the entire time. I inserted the tool on my own, so I felt very comfortable with that. Like it was just a very comfortable setting altogether, but more so than anything, I was just in my own personal space and not having to go somewhere else and feel like I'm getting a medical procedure done or having to feel like I had to hide if someone was to see the procedure, or me walking into a space where they know this type of procedure or this type of thing is being done. So like, I feel like Eric as a whole made the entire experience like very calm, very easy, and very comforting.
Would you do this again?
Yes, I would.
Are you willing to take the 7-day challenge?
Yes, I am. That's easy peasy.
Thank you so much for choosing Head to Toe Healing for your Yoni Rejuvenation experience. And until next time, stay relaxed.
Thank you.